This chicken stew recipe with lots of vegetables is one of those dishes that are perfect for batch cooking, comforting and yet very delicious. Make this recipe on any day of the week and you are sorted for a few. All you need to worry about are the side dishes to go with it. It's fridge and freezer friendly. Friends, this is a very straightforward recipe. It actually utilizes most of the vegetables that you might have lying around in your pantry or just readily available in the market. It's just such a forgiving dish, and you know at the end of the day, it's minimal cleanup. Let's jump onto the stove and start it. For this recipe, we are using 2 whole stewing hens that I had gone ahead, cut up, and then seasoned with salt and pepper. I have a pan that is already heating. Into the pan, add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add the chicken and start searing. We want to get this chicken colored on all sides. This chicken has been browning for the last 5 minutes. It's gotten some very nice color. This is what we are looking for. Very important for end results. So just turn each one of them and have it brown on the other side. This is a very crucial step in cooking. You don't want to skip this. Check this chicken, looks good to me. Remove it and sear the rest of the batch. So into the pan. As our stewing chicken or the Kienyeji chicken finishes browning, I've gone ahead and peeled and diced 1 large onion, a red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, a small carrot. These are 2 tomatoes, and then I peeled and cleaned 3 Idaho potatoes, and then I have a bunch of other stuff here: herbs, tomato paste, ginger garlic paste, some chicken stock, and Worcestershire sauce that we are going to add into the dish. This batch is all brown, just remove it. Immediately into the pan, add our onions and start sweating them. Once these onions have started to sweat, add the rest of the aromatics, the carrots, peppers, and sweat these as well. Add some salt and pepper. These aromatics have nicely sweated. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Just have these release their flavors into the nice gravy foundation. Time to add a teaspoon of tomato paste. Have this caramelized. Now, once our ginger garlic has slightly cooked down, time to add our tomatoes and the rest of the ingredients. As always, I will leave the list in the description box. 2 bay leaves, about a teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of dried rosemary, a teaspoon of cumin. Give this a good stir. Cover this gravy base and cook until the tomatoes thicken. A good time for you, if you have not yet subscribed, to go down there and hit the subscribe button. Give me a like on this video if you already love it. This is what we are looking for. This gravy base has started to thicken. Oh, it smells so good. So now, bring back the chicken. This is what's commonly referred to as Kienyeji chicken in Kenya. It's very, very tasty. It's actually sold locally in supermarkets here in US as stewing hen, and it's sold in pairs. This chicken tends to be tough, so it benefits from long cooking. So what we want to do here is just toast it, coat it with all this goodness here. Can't wait to enjoy this. Put the lid back on this pot and cook for about half an hour on low heat. A good time to check how our chicken is doing. Oh yeah. So it's getting coated with all these flavors. So now we go on to the next step to introduce the liquid. About 2 cups chicken stock. You can add water at this point. Add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. This just deepens the flavors. So just to help the chicken cook, I will top it with some water. So now at this point the chicken is still raw, so we cannot check for seasoning. Don't want to do that with the chicken. Maybe just a little bit more water. We want it nice and soupy and gravy. So this looks good to me. Bring it back to a boil on high. Lower the heat to low and cook for about 45 minutes or until the chicken is almost cooked. And then the last 20 minutes we'll add our potatoes to finish our dish. This chicken looks so good now. All we need to do is just add the potatoes. This will take about 20 minutes to finish cooking the potatoes. And we have this delicious one-pot dish. I just love these. They are easy to make, they are delicious, and they are crowd pleasers. Season this with some salt and pepper, just a little bit. We will come back and do the final adjustment. Come back when the potatoes are fully cooked and the chicken is cooked through. Time we open the lid and check how our dish is doing. Use a knife to poke the potatoes. Oh yeah, they look good. The knife is going through, they are not overcooked. So turn off the heat. Straight away, garnish this with some parsley or cilantro, some scallions greens. Give this a very good stir. This is a very good dish for all those people who are experiencing very cold season. This is for you. I hope it warms you up. So friends, there you have it, our delicious and easy to make one-pot chicken gravy or stew. I served mine with these brown chapatis. It came out very delicious. The chicken is soft, it's full of flavors. A dish that you can try any day of the week, and definitely you and your family will enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Just remember, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this dish. I will see you in the next one.